It's your boy, droptopveezy. We got that boy Big 2 up in the back seat. Far more advanced in this street flexing, all in foreigns, nigga, and I ain't talking Lexus. Met a bad chick, I think her name was Lexus. Lexus text me, say she dripping naked, kinda disappointed when I... What's up, Drop Top fam? It's your boy droptopveezy coming at your top with a whole nother one. You heard me? Today we going to Arcadia. You heard me? The country of the country. On a left field trip, we're going to Papa Simpson's farm. You heard me? With the class. But we gotta go stop and get a good sack lunch. They talking about sack lunch. Man, look. Man, all this money we pay for this school boat, they act like they can't buy these good kids lunch, bro, or they can't supply the sack lunches. So we over here at Walmart, we drive a little faster than them people, you know what I'm saying? You know, we got them horses, you heard me? Shout out Meg the Stallion, you feel me? Cause yeah, we got them. But yeah, we finna go ahead and go up in here and get these lunchables, so let's go. Dressed in all black like metallic. Two, you fly, bro. You know that? Say what's happening to YouTube. Yeah, what's up? Coolest dude alive. You the coolest 4-year-old I know. Alright, let's go ahead and get all that lunchable. What kind of lunchable you want? Dum 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 dum. Dum 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 dum. Come on, Bo. You act like this Jeopardy. Yeah, it's life or death. You probably ain't even gonna eat the Lunchable realistically. Alright, you don't want the one with the little Reese's? You heard me? Look, the little Reese's.
Wait, where's the Reese's?
Right there, and then Super Mario. Boy, you do Super Mario?
I want Super Mario.
I know it. Look at you. Man, you know, nigga off the app. You know, I gotta get the bologna. You hear me? I'm rocking with the little years. You know what I'm saying? I'll go with the little $1.18. You smell me? Get the good Butterfinger. You smell me? Nah, I don't want to make my hair like that, but you look cool, bro. Yeah, that's yours. Put it in your pocket.
No, it's not mine.
Yes, it is. It's yours. No, put it in your pocket. You don't want it? You don't want no money. That boy wild. You know. Yeah, he say he don't take nothing from nobody. Say no, did he? Come on. Man, they got us out here in the bonus for real, for real. Dude, we up in the bonus for real. You heard me? Real deal. Like Dillo. Pretty cool out here. I could live out here, bro. It's part of peace. Come on, walk. Go that way. Go that way. Follow them people. Go that way. Stay on this right side. Stay on this side. Stay on this side of me. Hey, you too good to walk in the grass. Look at that truck. Look your butt over there. Finna get on the tractor. Tractor, oh tractor. Shout out my boy, Blippi.
Okay, look, do you see that big old feed tank and that old building behind it? Yeah. Great big old truck.
How much
with a
money
big
come
old
out of
tank
400
on the back.
pounds?
Come in, we can fill it up.
Is it a lot?
Yes.
So, now we don't do that anymore, but we have a few daily.
Hey, kids play.
Never said 5 years ago.
Two.
That dog.
We had some chickens in our backyard, and one of them chased me across the yard. He came in the house screaming, "Daddy, the box chasing me!" So I've been calling the box ever since.
You gotta hold it. Be brave, big man. Remember, God with you. Look at this. Hey.
We'll let you hold it. You never know now. What color was Mary's little leg?
Devontae, Riley, y'all look at me. Right there. It's just good. It's so soft. Oh.
Lucy,
Man. One with the hump in the back.
All right, guys. Remember I told you we have 2 different kinds of cows, right? We have dairy cows and we have beef cows. Burgers. What? And you know what else is good?
Yeah, we have burgers. I told you, hell ain't no cows. Not yet. You don't eat it yet.
That is fire. Oh, yes, it is.
Hey, what Missy? He said we'll be going back up.
That way we're trying to get you the cows up to them.
Isn't that scary?
Turn, Riley,
All
look.
right. Look.
Riley, look. I need to say cheese so that we can. Look at Miss Jan so she can. We can.
Come on, ready?
Devontae. There you go.
All right.
Oh, good job, Devontae.
Gotta spin it. Okay. Ooh. Gotta spin it. Gotta turn it. Oh.
We'll get there, baby.